In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new customer to your system. This process should be simple and straightforward, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have all the information you need to confidently and accurately enter new customer details whenever necessary. Let's start by navigating to the appropriate section of your business management software. First, you'll want to locate the Business tab on your main dashboard. Once you click on this, a drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with several options. From this list, you'll need to select Customer, which should direct you to the Customer Management section of your software. Now that you're in the right place, it's time to add a new customer. You'll see an option labeled New Customer. Clicking on this will open a form where you can input the customer's details. This step is crucial, as it allows you to store all necessary information about the customer in your system, and it's important to ensure accuracy and completeness here. When filling out the form, you'll typically start with the customer's name. This could be an individual or a company name, depending on who you're dealing with. Next, you'll want to enter their address. Make sure to include all components like street name, city, state, and postal code. Accurate address details are key for both correspondence and logistical purposes. Alongside these, you'll need to enter the customer's contact information. This generally includes a phone number and an email address. Having multiple contact methods can be very advantageous for reaching out to the customer or for them to reach you with any questions or issues. Additionally, it might be helpful to note down any specific preferences or additional contacts they might have, ensuring no detail about your new customer is overlooked. Once you've entered all the necessary details, take a moment to double-check everything for errors or accidental omissions. This quality check ensures that communications with your customer remain accurate and that their needs are understood from the outset. Finally, after thoroughly reviewing the information, the last step is to save these details into your system. Look for a Save button, usually located at the bottom of the form. By clicking it, you securely store the customer information, making it accessible for future reference and ensuring that your records are up to date. And there you have it, a complete tutorial on how to add a new customer to your system. This step is fundamental in building